Hi guys, this is Prince from Prigma Investments, and today we'll be talking about how you can move your post from one website to another website without interfering the settings. Okay, the settings like categories, tags, pictures, like the one that you've used on the on the post. Every picture will be there, and almost everything that you have done on your post, you'll find it available on the coming post. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to start to show you exactly how you're supposed to do it. So the first and most important thing, you're supposed to have access to both sides, the side that you want to move from and the side that you are taking your post to. You're supposed to have both sides on those access on those sides, sorry. Okay, so this is a website, a news website where which is showing you like news actually. So you see, there's a nice site, a new site, right? So this is it, and then from this site I'm going to be moving posts to these sites. So I have access to it, and then I'll just go to the dashboard, and then I'll show you how many posts we have in this website currently. So currently, if you can check here, we do have 50 posts, published posts, and we have 9 in the trash, so that you don't say, Prince, you move them from the trash to the published. Okay, but this is 8. So we have 50 posts, so I'm going only to move 3 posts, because in the other side there are only 3 posts there that are going to move to this side, and then we check if the tags and everything is there. Okay, so we go to this side where, and then we check our post or post here to see what we have here. Okay, so we have 3 posts here, right? And then we have tags. These are the tags, the category, web design mistakes, blue host. This one does not have tags. Unfortunately, this one is uncategorized, and the published dates are there. As you can see, you can check the published dates as well. So these are very, very important, guys, for you to keep on checking, right? Okay, so what you have to do is, guys, you have to scroll down to tools, this option here which is written tools on your navigation or on your dashboard. You see these options, and then you go to tools, and then from this tools option you have to export first. So there's an option for exporting, so you click this option to export. Okay, you have to note this thing, guys. We did not install any plugin. This is everything that we had already in our site. So normally when you're starting to click this, I think this is my second time using this or exporting, so maybe it removed that option, but normally it gives you option that you give an option to choose which site you want to export to. Okay, no, this is not for exporting, that's for importing, sorry. So what we want to do right now, we want to export post. That's what we want to export. So we want what category we want, all categories. So we have only 3 categories here, which are these, like you can see. And then authors, we do have only 1 author, and then dates, and so these are the dates. So we can just leave it as it is right here, and then we export. So as we are exporting it, guys, it will be an XML file, so you see it whilst we are after exporting. So we are now exporting. You see here it's downloading at the bottom here. So once it's done, and then we'll move to the other side. Okay, so now it seems it's done, and then, guys, we come here on the site, and then we go to the same option, tools, and then on tools, and then now we are not exporting, but we are now importing. So you go to the option to import, and then from that you see now it's showing. This is what I was trying to explain earlier, my apologies, but this is where it comes in. So now it's showing telling you that you can export from a blogger, from blog row, from categories and tags converter, from live journal, movable type and type page, one click and demo input, RSS, Tumblr, and WordPress. So now we are on WordPress. So normally I have used this before, so that's why you see, like here, if you can see on Tumblr, that's what you'll be able to see if it is your first time to visit this page or to install this on WordPress. So you have to click this option to install, and then after installing, it will take you to this option where it's saying run importer, and then you just click this option here, and then it will take you to this page where it's telling you that you can import these. So the only option that you're going, guys, to be importing, you see here where I'm highlighting it, it's saying .xml. So that's the file that you are going to be importing. So we click on this option here to choose a file, and then from this sorry, you are taken to the job thing. That's when I was looking for job, but I stopped looking for jobs now. So this is the XML option. Like you can see here, the type here, the type of the document, it's written XML document. So you have to click on that option, and then you only go to the option to open, and then when that is open, you see, guys, it's now showing here, and then we'll be able to upload the file. So let's wait. So it's already uploaded, it's faster, right? So here you need to change settings. Let's say if you have a new user that you want to have access to this, you can select, but here we only have one. The one that I'm using here as well, it's Prigma Investments, so that's the one that we are going to select. And then this option here, it's very, very crucial. This one, import attachment, this is the one that's going to allow us to import things like pictures, like media and all attachments. So you have to always select that, do not miss that, otherwise you leave out some things there. So here we go, guys, and then we just click the button to submit. So now it's submitted, guys. You see it's how fast it is. So it's already imported to this site. So now let's go to the post, and then we check if we have our sites imported here. So this is it, guys. This is the latest, I believe. That's why we have the date, 10 biggest. You see it was published on the 2020, the 5th of March, and you see we have the tags, we have the categories, and we have the author imported. Okay, let's look for others. I don't think they're close, because let's see if they will be close. Yeah, okay, but the only thing that we can check again is the published post. We now have 53, and we still have 9 remaining thrashed here. So let's go to the site, and then we check to see if we now have that on the list. Okay, so now we do have it here. 10 biggest mistakes the business to avoid. You see it's now showing the category, and everything is showing on the right category. So guys, this is it. I don't think there's much more that you might need to know, but this is it, guys. You need to take action and start making use of this. It's very, very powerful. This is your boy Prince from Prigma Investment. Thank you, guys. Cheers. See you again. Remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.